In this project, you're going to be using what you learned about warm and cool colors in the last step to create a piece of artwork. For this project, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, a marker, preferably a black or brown marker, and crayons or colored pencils with the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Once you get your sheet of paper, what you're going to do with your pencil is you're going to put your hand in the middle of your paper with your fingers wide open and trace around your hand like this. You're going to do it with the pencil first, and after you finish doing it with the pencil, you can trace over it with your marker. But I want you to do it with the pencil first, just in case you make any mistakes while you're tracing around your hand. You can fix them at this point. Make sure you're also tracing around your wrist and your arm that hangs off the paper. Like this, you want to go all the way off your paper. After you trace your hand, make sure you go over it with the marker, a black or brown marker at this point. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a shape near your hand, and you're going to make it small, and then you're going to make it bigger and bigger and bigger around it. So the way we're going to do that is you're going to do this with your pencil. You're going to draw any shape. It could be a circle, square, rectangle, or triangle. And you're going to start near the middle of your hand somewhere. You're going to make it small, and then you're going to make a bigger one around it. And you're going to continue making bigger and bigger versions of that same shape around your hand. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. And then you're going to make it go bigger and bigger until you go outside of your hand and even off your paper sometimes, as you'll see in a minute. After you've done this, what you're going to do next is you're going to be adding color to this. And the point of this project is to add cool colors in the spaces in the hand, and you're going to use warm colors inside of the hand, and you're going to use cool colors in the background. So you can see when you drew your hand and then your shape, you created little spaces that overlapped over your hand. So this would be one little space in the hand. So this finger, for instance, has been split into 3 different spaces. You're going to use your warm colors inside the hand at this point. So you can use any of the warm colors, yellow, red, or orange for this. And you're just going to color in your spaces with these colors. Make sure you don't use the same color right next to each other. So you can see how I'm using the spaces within the hand that have been cut into different spaces by my shape. And I'm only staying inside the hand at this point. So I'm going to continue coloring in these spaces with my warm colors right now. After you finish coloring in the hand with the warm colors of red, yellow, and orange, you're going to go into the background and use your cool colors of blue, green, and purple. When you're finished coloring your background and your hand completely, you have completed this project. So what you're doing in this project is using warm colors, which make your eyes catch that attention spot first. And then the cool colors recede or they fall backwards in your picture. So this is just one way to use warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors catch your attention first and bring the image up to the front, and cool colors tend to recede or go backwards in the background. So when you're finished with this project, write your name on the front of the picture and put it in your art folder, and you'll be finished.